back with another video. We're going to do the bargain hunting thing, but we kind of had some issues earlier, so we weren't able to do that. But that video will be coming soon.
Oh gosh, we've got a good one for you.
Yeah.
Excuse the hot mess
we've
express.
got like Hot Mess Express. It's been a really bad day.
Stressful
day. Adulting decided to rear its ugly head at us, so...
Adulting, 2 points, us, 0.
Yeah.
Basically.
So we're not going to be able to get the James Charles palette like we thought we were going to get, and so that's going to be on the back burner. But that's okay. We're just going to roll with the punches, right? We're going to do us. How we do.
No comment.
But anyways, we are here to do a blind makeup challenge. I thought this would be really fun for both of us.
We took a poll on Facebook.
We did, and it was 50-50.
We had to flip Starburst for it. It was like legit serious.
Like the Starburst 2-pack from the Halloween candy. We did Starburst one side, me.
Shout out to Teresa, because if it wasn't for the Starburst, we wouldn't have been able to do the tiebreaker.
Well, we could have done a coin too.
Oh yeah. Just kidding.
Thanks Teresa for the candy. But anyway, so I'm going to get started. We're not going to use foundation because that's going to take too long for this video.
Here's the kicker that she doesn't know I'm going to do. You get the highlight and whatever else you're going to do. She doesn't know which color palette I'm going to choose. So
we got that.
I'm going to make it really difficult for her. I'm going to mix stuff up.
Is your chair down below? So
you need to raise yours up a little bit. So
it is up, I think.
No.
Oh, woo-hoo-hoo! All right.
Now I feel like a little
Actually, they may not be able to see me.
So I'm going to mix stuff up after you are completely blind.
Oh, that is not fair.
Yes, it is.
Okay, you're going to have to hand me some tools, too.
Oh, I'm not handing you squat. Oh, I can hand you brushes.
That's what I mean, tools.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, here's...
The new rose gold ones.
Okay. You only need 3. Okay, so...
Okay, let me do your eye look first.
Well, I gotta figure out which color I'm gonna throw at you first. Okay. Let's go big or go home.
And I can't see anything.
How many fingers am I holding up?
5?
Right on.
No way!
No, I was holding up 2.
What was I gonna say?
The palette is right there.
Right here?
Yes. You've got your whole hand in it.
Great. Yeah, I feel
You've
that.
got 10 colors to choose from. Pick wisely.
All right,
shit.
we're just gonna go with this. Oh my gosh. Is that your left eye or your... Okay. Woo! Let's just do it.
Oh God. I'm not even gonna look at myself until we're done. So
I don't even know which color it feeds into. I think it was this one, so I'm just gonna put my hand, my hand in
So
it.
to be fair, she's she's not gonna see the look until she pulls the blindfold. And until I look in the mirror at the same time.
Don't make me pee.
Dude, this look is gonna look epic.
Okay, let me get the other.
I wish I could go out in public like this.
Don't make me pee, please. Don't. Wait, that's your eyebrow. Put your finger right here, please.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay. Boy, this palette is filthy now.
Oh, crap.
No, we're not taking off points for not blending, right?
I didn't know there was a point. Okay, let me try a different color. Okay, stick your finger right here.
Got it.
Where is it?
Right
It's not even...
It's right here. It's right above it. It's where you can't go any further.
Okay.
Guys, if you don't know what trust is until you try a blind makeup challenge.
Right? Right?
Oh, my Lanta. Hopefully I still have eyes left.
I think you'll do fine. Okay, I think that's good for the eyeshadow.
We're good with the eye look?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to try eyeliner or just mascara?
I don't want to... eyeliner.
Okay. Decide which is eyeliner. Keep your chin on. Go for it. Hopefully that's eyeliner.
What the hell is this?
It's eyeliner. You're getting it all over the...
Alright, let's just try it.
Gee. Gentle.
That's not funny. It's hard. You do this. Alright.
Epic. Here,
Cap.
I'll cap it.
Okay, mascara.
We're gonna skip mascara because I want my eyes still.
Okay, so bronzer.
Bronzer.
Or just give me the, yeah. And a bronzing brush.
Which one is a bronzing brush?
It's like a little angle.
Oh, the chiseled look?
Yes. But it's kind of fat and fluffy.
Kind of like me?
Hey!
Here.
That's not cool.
That's it. It's chiseled. It's big fluffy, but chiseled?
Yeah.
Okay.
It smells like it, so yeah.
Did you just smell the brush?
Yeah, you smell everything.
Now, we decided to forego foundation because it would just take too long.
We ain't got time for that. Nobody got time for that.
Who needs foundation when you're getting freaking bronzered all over your face? I'm feeling tan already.
Alright, now I need a blush brush.
Right there.
And some blush.
Right there. See how long it takes you to open this.
Is that the blush side?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Are you seriously making the fish lip face? I think I just got some setting spray in the form of spit.
I'm sorry. Are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
Okay. Okay, highlight.
Oh,
I'm gonna bling you up, baby.
oh shit. Here. Oh god, my highlight's gonna be on full leak. That's my ear. Oh, she got it in the right spot. I'm pretty impressed. I've already turned my head.
I'm having issues.
Lollipop, oh, lolly, lollipop.
Alright.
Get some music. Which lipstick do you want to go for?
I'm gonna do, this is the MAC one, right?
No, that's one of mine.
No? I thought it was, Don't do that. You might go
Not my teeth, please.
Just go like this to protect you. There you go. There you go. Go
I feel so pretty. Oh, the cap.
Are we done?
I think we are. Hang on.
Oh, setting spray. Setting.
Oh, dear God. That is brush remover, or cleaner. Here. Setting spray right here. She's about to spray me in the eye with some freaking... I'm gonna laugh if you screwed yourself in the face.
That's fine.
I feel so pretty. Okay. Okay, before I look, I'm grabbing the mirror.
I want to see your reaction though.
Okay, go for it. Is that bad?
Yes, that was really bad. Oh my
I look like something off of Joker from Batman.
Oh my goodness.
We
You look.
I feel so pretty.
Oh my goodness.
So we want to hear your thoughts down below. Sound off your true opinion. Feedback.
I got the top look okay. I just didn't fill it in very much.
My eyeliner's on fleek.
Oh my goodness. is.
It's a lot more challenging than it looks.
It is. It is. Y'all try it and tell us how
It's
you.
hilarious.
You're gonna have to do me next, but we'll do a couple videos in between.
Not on camera.
Yeah, on camera.
You didn't get it.
Not on camera.
You said, do me next.
Oh,
Ding, ding, ding.
blindfold makeup challenge.
Oh.
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 So weird.
So,
That was fun.
good laughs.
You could definitely go out on Halloween.
You can't.
Pick it up. What are you? You can't, my girlfriend made this up.
Well, there's this thing that we tried. Why don't you look at this palette?
So.
Ta-da!
Oh my gosh! No, we destroyed it.
No, we
need,
didn't.
like
Makeup wipes.
makeup wipes. Okay, good.
So.
When did you get this?
I've had it forever. It's probably expired.
Yeah.
So we want to hear your feedback. What y'all think?
Let us know what you think in the comments, and let us know if we should do like a video on how to check for expired lipstick or
Would y'all like
makeup.
us to show you?
Yeah, let us know in the comments below on YouTube. Comments if you need to know, if you want to know where it shows that it's expired on, because it should be on every single lipstick or makeup product. So, but anyways, thanks for sticking around with us, and
I'm gonna go wash my face.
yes, she's gonna wash her face. I'm gonna wash my hands. So we will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Bye.
Oh Lord.